Hey guys, it's Madison. Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to start off this video by saying thank you guys so much for all the love and support I've been getting recently. I love you all so much and thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. And thanks for stopping in today. I really appreciate you being here. So today, oh my gosh, there's like a huge bump in my hair. I need a bobby pin. There we go. Much better. So today I'm going to be doing yet another thrift haul. I am so excited to be filming this today because you guys know how much I love thrifting and I know you guys love these types of videos. So if you do want to see this awesome thrift haul that has a couple of really cool name brand pieces, let's just get started. So I think we're going to start off with accessories. I just have two to show you today. The first one is just this amazing blanket scarf. This is originally from American Eagle. I got it for $4.99 at Salvation Army. All the stuff in this haul is from Salvation Army, but it's just this beautiful like black and white like speckled kind of scarf with some fringe at the bottom. It's super cozy, super warm, and I love stuff like this during the winter because living up north, it's horrible. So this is really awesome. The other piece I got that was an accessory is this red quilted bag with some gold detailing. I got this especially for Valentine's Day, and today is the day after Valentine's Day, and I wore this and I got a lot of compliments on it, so I'm really glad I found this. It was only $2.99 and it's just a beautiful purse. It's pretty spacious. It's kind of spacious inside. I mean, I fit a lip gloss, my wallet, and a couple other little things. But I really like it, and for $2.99, I could not pass it up. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I got a lot of jackets slash outerwear, so I'm going to go ahead and show those to you. So the first piece I got was actually, it was $7.99 originally, and then all pink tags were 99 cents. So that's the only reason I got it. I mean, I really like it, but it's a little big on me, so I think I'm going to crop it. If you guys want to see like an upcycling thrifted pieces video, I would love to do that for you guys. But this is just a army green, a little button-up shirt from the brand Dockers. It's a medium, so it's a little big on me, but like I said, I think I'm going to crop and fringe this. I think it would look so cool. So I decided to pick this one up. I love the pockets. I like the cuffs too. Like you can roll up the sleeves, make it look really edgy, and pair it with like black high-waisted jeans and my Doc Martens, and I love it. It's so cute. The next piece I got, I got it like less than a week ago, and I have been wearing this every single day of my life. This is from Talbot's originally, and it's just a long black coat, and it's just the most like form-fitted coat. It's absolutely beautiful. It just fits me so well, and I just love it. It's from the petite section of Talbot's, and Talbot's is like not for my age group, but I really like this coat. I just love how it fits me. It's super warm, and I've been looking for something like this for so long, but I refuse to spend like $200 on it. So I got this for 15 bucks, which is quite the steal. This next piece is kind of leads into a story. So you know when you try stuff on and then you don't like it and you put it back on that like go back rack? The key to thrifting is to always check that rack because it usually has some of the best stuff on it that people really wanted, but maybe it didn't fit them properly, so they put it back. So that is like the best place to check for name brands, for high-end stuff, and that is where I found this amazing bright blue, well not really bright blue, it's more of a navy blue Adidas windbreaker with the stripes down the sleeve. Has the old school style Adidas logo, just a zip up windbreaker, and I have a couple of these that I've thrifted, but I think this one is my favorite because it's the most wearable out of all of them. It's just, it's such a good find. I love finding like vintage Adidas and Nike windbreakers, so this is like amazing, and it was 5 bucks. This next piece is interesting. I got this for 99 cents in the kids section, and I have been looking for like a puffer jacket like this for months, and I just didn't want to spend the high price at a regular store, and I've just been loving like Ariana Grande's style, like in the Everyday music video where she has the giant like oversized puffer and the little buns on her head. So I've been looking for something like that, but I found this one at the thrift for 99 cents. And I just thought I'd pick it up. It actually fits me really nice. I like the color. The only thing is, this is the hood. Like, this is large enough to fit my entire body. And I don't understand. It has like drawstrings. Like, is this some sort of parachute? So if you guys know anything about this, please feel free to let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely confused. So I got one sweater this time around. I usually get lots of sweaters, but I could only find this one and I absolutely love this. So this is a Nautica vintage sweater and it's 100% wool. Now I'll only buy animal-based fabrics at the thrift store. You guys know this. I don't like support animal cruelty in any way, so it is thrifted, so the money's not going directly to the company, blah, blah, blah. You guys get the gist. I'm not going to drag it out. So this is a cream-colored wool sweater. It is the warmest thing ever, and I like that the sleeves can cuff really nicely, but it's just like this big, oversized wool sweater, and I love the color. I don't really have anything like this, and I just love like a good cuddly cozy sweater, so this one is absolutely perfect. And this was only $2.99 at the thrift. Like, a wool sweater for $2.99, you can't go wrong. The next thing I got is a t-shirt, and I'm not really sure if I'm gonna wear it, but it was only $1, so I decided to pick it up. It is just this white t-shirt with palm trees going across it in navy blue, and it has the same pattern on the back, but I was thinking I could crop this and it would be really cute. It was $1.99 and then half off because all yellow tags were half off, and I liked it. I don't know, I thought it would be really nice for the summer with like that green, army green jacket over top. And then some like black jeans or black shorts. I think it'd be really cute, so I decided to pick it up. Okay, so the next piece, I'm not 100% sure if I love it. I really do like it. I'm just anticipating whether or not I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. Because I don't wear dresses a ton. In my last video I thrifted a dress and it was pretty cute, but I like that one a little better than this one, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. If anything, I can just give it to my little sister. But this was $5.99 and it's just a Forever 21 mock neck gray dress. But what I really liked about this is that the quality is really good. It's a very, very thick kind of cotton material, so this is really nice for wearing it in the fall time because it's really thick with like a cardigan over. But I need to like play with it a little bit. I'm not really sure. We are on to the exciting part of the haul, the last two items. I always save the best for last, and you guys know that I hunt for denim like crazy at the thrift store, and I found the two best pairs of denim I have ever found at the thrift. So I'm going to show them to you right now. So the first pair is a pair of black Levi 511s, and you can see the patches on there. So I do have to cuff these at the bottom. I'm thinking of cropping them. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you like a cuff better or do you like a cropped look? I'm not really sure. I don't want to mess these up because I love how they fit so much. But these are just the cutest jeans. The only thing is they're not super high-waisted. They kind of go like right under my belly button. But I love them. They are a little big in the waist, so I have to wear a belt. But they are so cute, and I just love vintage denim. These are amazing. Okay, so this last item is a pair of Levi's as well, and I did get pizza grease on them. I need some Tide to go, but these are the best jeans I have ever found at the thrift store. These are just some high-waisted mom jeans, like OG vintage 505s from the thrift. These are the most beautiful jeans ever. Once again, I do have to cuff these. I'm definitely not cutting these ones though. I love how they looked with the cuff. These are like some sturdy jeans. Like, these are really intense. I absolutely love this pair. I cannot believe I found these. This is what I've been looking for the past like year and a half that I've been thrifting. Okay, so that concludes this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to stick around and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys joining my little family that we're starting here. I love each and every one of you so much, and thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. You guys really have no idea how much it means to me. It just makes me so happy that you guys care about my thoughts and my creative side, and you guys, you're just so supportive. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave some video requests down below. I want to know what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all, and yeah, see you then. Bye guys.